Welcome to Agriculture Vidya. Today I will explain about most important objective type questions on fundamentals of economics. This subject will come in first year BSc Agriculture, that is AECO 141. This subject will come in first year AGBSc, that is Fundamentals of Economics, AECO 141. I will explain objective type questions. 50 objective type questions. Those are the most important. 1. Microeconomics is also known as price theory. Microeconomics is also known as price theory. Macroeconomics is also known as income theory. Whereas microeconomics is known as price theory, macroeconomics is known as income theory. Under traditional approach, subject matter of the economics is divided into consumption, production, exchange and distribution. Under traditional approach, subject matter of the economics is divided into consumption, production, exchange and distribution. And under modern approach, subject matter of the economics is divided into two parts. Those are microeconomics and macroeconomics. Traditional approach is divided into consumption, production, exchange, distribution. Under modern approach, economics is divided into microeconomics and macroeconomics. Father of the economics was Adam Smith. Father of the economics was Adam Smith. Father of the modern economics was J.M. Keynes. Father of the modern economics was J.M. Keynes. Micro and macro terms derived from Greek language are Greek word. Micro and macro terms derived from Greek word are Greek language. Micro and macro coined by micro and macro terms coined by Ragnar Frisch in 1933. These two terms coined by Ragnar Frisch in 1933. Economics is derived from Greek word, that is oikos and nomikos. Oikos means household and nomikos means management. Economics is derived from Greek word, that is oikos and nomikos. Oikos means household, nomikos means management, that is household management. Wealth definition of economics was given by Adam Smith. Four types of economic definitions are there. Those are wealth, welfare, scarcity and growth. Wealth definition of economics was given by Adam Smith. Welfare definition of the economics is given by Alfred Marshall. Scarcity definition of economics was given by Lionel Robbins. Growth definition of the economics was given by J.M. Keynes. Economics by Adam Smith. Welfare by Alfred Marshall. Scarcity by Lionel Robbins. Growth by J.M. Keynes. Adam Smith's book name was Wealth of Nations. Alfred Marshall's book name was Principles of Economics. Lionel's publication name was Nature and Significance of Economic Science. Whereas Adam Smith's book name was Wealth of Nations, Alfred Marshall's was Principles of Economics. Lionel Robbins' publication name was Nature and Significance of Economic Science. Two methods of the economic investigations are there. Those are deductive and inductive. Deductive and inductive are two methods of economic investigations. Deductive method is from general to particular. Deductive method is from general to particular or universal to individual. General to particular or universal to individual. Inductive method is from particular to general or individual to universal. Particular to general or individual to universal. Economics is science and art. Economics is science as well as art. Economics is a social science, that is not a life science. Economics is a social science, that is not a life science. Whereas positive economics is related to what is, whereas normative economics is relates to what ought to be. Positive economics, what is. Normative economics, what ought to be. Positive economics is related to without moral judgment, whereas normative economics is relates to with moral judgment. Positive economics without moral judgment. Normative economics with moral judgment. Positive economics is relates to objective, whereas normative economics is relates to subjective. Positive economics is objective, normative economics is subjective. The term agriculture is derived from Latin word. Agriculture is derived from Latin word. Agar means soil, culture means cultivation. The term agar means soil, culture means cultivation. In economics, four factors of the productions are there. Those are very important ones. In economics, four factors of the productions are there. Those are land, labor, capital, and management. Management is also called as organization. Land, labor, capital, management or organizations are the four important factors of the production. Farm management and production economics is there. Let we will see what is the difference. Farm management is the part of production economics. Farm management is the production economics. Farm management is intra-farm study, whereas production economics is inter-farm study. Farm management is the part of the production of economics. So this comes under intra-farm study, whereas production economics comes under inter-farm study. Farm management is micro study. Production economics is macro study. Farm management is the part of the production economics. Farm management is a intra-farm study, whereas production economics is a inter-farm study. Farm management is micro study, whereas production economics is a macro study. Dash generally means studying, examining, and analyzing the financial aspects pertaining to farm business, which is also the core sector of the country. That is agricultural finance. Dash generally means studying, examining, and analyzing the financial aspects. That is agricultural finance, which is related to money matters. Dash includes assembling, transportation, storing, buying, selling, standardization, grading, processing, and sales promotion. That is agricultural marketing. Agricultural marketing, buying and selling are very important one. In agricultural marketing, buying and selling are very important one. Where the dash is a place where the buying and selling occurs. That is not nothing but agriculture market. Dash is a place where buying and selling occurs. That is agriculture market. Dash is defined as anything that satisfies human wants or needs. Goods. Dash is defined as anything that satisfies human wants or needs is called good. Service. Dash is the performance of any duties or work for another or professional activities. Dash is the performance of any duties or work for another or professional activity. That is service. Based on the supply, goods are classified into free and economic goods. Based on the supply, goods are classified into dash, free and economic goods. Based on dash, the goods are categorized into consumer goods and producer goods. Consumption. Based on dash, the goods are categorized into consumer goods and producer goods. That is consumption. Based on the durability, goods are classified into monoperiod goods and polyperiod goods. Based on the durability, goods are classified into monoperiod goods and polyperiod goods. Whereas based on supply, free and economic goods. Based on consumption, consumer and producer goods. Based on durability, monoperiod and polyperiod goods. Based on the transferability. Dash is the example of external material transferable good. That is land and buildings. Land and buildings. Degree certificate, PAN card are the examples of external material non-transferable. Whereas a degree certificate, PAN card, ATM card, those are, we can see it. That means external. Though we can touch it and feel it. That means those are materials. That is external material. But those cannot be transferable. So those are comes under non-transferable. That is external material non-transferable good. Goodwill of business is the example of goodwill of business. That is the example of external non-material transferable. That is a non-material. We cannot touch it and feel it. We can see it. That means external. External non-material goodwill of business or business ideas we can share to other persons with other persons. That means external non-material transferable. Friendship and light dash is the example of external non-material non-transferable good. Friendship and light dash is the example of external non-material non-transferable good. That is friendship and light. Intelligence quotient, ability, cruelty, honesty, integrity, etc. are the examples of internal non-material non-transferable good. Intelligence quotient, ability, cruelty, honesty, integrity, etc. Intelligence quotient, ability, cruelty, honesty, integrity, etc. are the examples of internal non-material non-transferable good. Dash means the power to satisfy human want. Utility. Dash means the power to satisfy human want. That is utility. The change in the form offers greater utility to the good than its original form comes under dash utility. Form utility. The change in the form offers greater utility to the good than in its original form comes under form utility. Dash aids in place utility. Transportation. Dash aids in place utility. That is transportation. Storage aids in, that is storage aids in creation of dash utility. Time utility. Storage aids in creation of dash utility. That is time utility. The change in the form means, that is paddy has low utility, whereas that is rice is having more utility. That is after processing. That is comes under firm utility. Transportation aids in place utility. Storage aids in creation of dash utility, time utility. The utility obtained due to position or transfer of ownership. Due to position or transfer of ownership is called position utility. Buying and selling creates the position utility. Dash creates the position utility. That is buying and selling. Buying and selling creates the position utility. Dash could be measured and can be aggregated across individuals. Cardinal utility. Dash could be measured and can be aggregated across individuals. Cardinal utility. Cardinal means it can be measurable. It is related to quantitative things. Cardinal utility means that it can be measurable. That is related to quantitative things. Ordinal utility. Dash utility cannot be measured. That means ordinal utility. Dash could not be measured. That is ordinal utility. That is related to, that is qualitative things that cannot be measurable. That is ordinal utility. In economics, value means value in exchange. In economics, value means value in exchange. Thank you.